License and registration, please. Thank you. Do you know how fast you were going? Ma'am, I asked you a question. Do you know how fast you were going? 60. My scanner picked up 60 miles. This is a 40 road, Dad, and you almost crashed into me. Thankfully, your brakes spared you from getting a mighty hefty fine for an accident. Oh, really? You didn't see me or hear me honking and flashing my lights behind you? I see. Anyways, I went around and cut you off in a place with very little traffic. The last thing we both need is any unnecessary collateral. Now you sit cute and pretty there, miss. I need to run your license into my system right quick. Alright, let's see what we got. This is Officer Julia. Reporting a robbery? Where at? I see. And what did the suspect getaway vehicle look like? That sounds oddly specific. Tell me, did we get a description of the suspect? That's... nothing. I'll keep a close eye out. Thanks. It can't be her, can it? But the description sounded all too similar. Same car model, same color, same type of damage. Not to mention the description of the suspect also matches this individual. Okay, this may be dangerous. But if this is them, then I need to handle this right there and now. Alright. Pardon me, ma'am, but I must ask you to step out of the vehicle, please. Did you hear me? I said I need you to step out of the vehicle, and do it slowly. Now turn around and place your hands on the roof. I need your back to face me. Good. Stay put. This won't take long. Pretty lady, do you need something? This girl, she seems all over the place. I wonder if she's hiding something. I don't see anything in here that could raise suspicion. Maybe this girl hid all the evidence in the trunk? But do I want to risk it? I better just pat them down to be safe. Alright, miss. I'm going to pat you down real quick. It's just part of the procedure. Why did you suddenly flinch like that? Okay. So far, so good. Though I'm not going to lie, her body feels nice. A bit on the chubby side, but that's alright. A chubby girl can sometimes make her curves stand out even more. Why is she shaking so much? Is there something I'm not seeing, or... Hang on, what is this? Oops! Hey! I don't get paid enough for this. Hey! Stop running! Get back here! I got a 1060 making a dash for it. Possibly I'm apprehending there now. No need for backup. Okay, I got them. I'm sorry, ma'am, but you're coming with me. Hey, I'm currently placing the potential suspect into the back of my cruiser. I'm heading down to the station now. Watch your head. Don't need a lovely thing like yourself getting a concussion. Now be a good girl and behave yourself back there. Hey, Harold, did you find anything? The car seems clean, huh? Alright. What about the licensing plate and ID? Alright. Well, let me know as soon as the serves pick back up speed. I'm going to have a little chat with the suspect. Greetings. I see you're holding up decently. Alright, let's go ahead and get down to business. My name is Officer Julia. Obviously, I'm the one who arrested you and brought you here, so it's only fitting that I be the one to ask you some questions. Before we get started, do you need anything? Are you sure? Because we can offer some limited accommodations. Alright, not much of a talker, I see. Well, hopefully we can change that. First things first, do you know why you were placed under arrest? No? Okay. Can you at least tell me why you ran away from me when I was performing a search on you? No again? Then, can you at least tell me why were you going 20 miles over the speed limit? Buddy, constantly shaking your head no isn't helping your case here. Look, you seem like a decent and good pretty lady. If you just tell us what we need to know, then there's a good chance we can let you go home with a warning. Nothing else. It would also help if you looked at me while I'm talking to you. Ugh, this is going nowhere. Fine, I'll just reach out with another officer. Maybe they can... Huh? Oh, you finally decide to speak up. Well, if you don't want me to be switched out, then I suggest you starting using the lovely voice of yours to explain your side of the story. Now, trust me, I think it will. Besides, a lot of folks tend to find you a lot more guilty and suspicious if you keep quiet, versus stating your piece. So come on, cute stuff, talk to me. How about we start at the beginning? Does that sound good? Alright, now explain to me why you were traveling over the speed limit. Hang on, your voice is kinda soft and quiet. Let me get a little closer. Alright, now repeat yourself for me, please. My goodness, you're still being such a stuttering mess. Look, nobody likes the idea of being put in handcuffs and brought to the police station to be treated as some sort of criminal, even though some folks obviously are. Well, what I'm saying is, I want to help you, but you need to help me, cutie. Okay? Now, how about we take some deep breaths, okay? There you go. You feeling better? Good. Now, let's take it from the top. You were caught speeding. Care to explain why? Trying to avoid a road rager. Ah, that's a new one. No, I don't think it's that terrible of an excuse. I've heard worse. Did you get a good look at their face? No? Okay. Then can you describe the kind of car they were driving? Same model as yours. Interesting. Still, you should be more careful. You could have gotten into a serious accident. At least tell me this. Did you see which way they went? Harold? Ah, alright. Okay, sit tight, ma'am. I'll be right back. You got an update? The ID and registration do not match? Okay, so what does that mean? Wait, so we have the actual suspect of the robbery in custody? Yeah, that certainly does seem like an eerie coincidence. Same model, same location of damages on vehicle, similar builds and outfits, but not the same license plate and person. Well, I guess I better go share the good news. Thanks for the help, Harold. Good news! We just caught the actual suspect and they're being brought into custody now. Yeah, turns out it was a mistake on my part. It just so happens that you and the robber shared an awful lot of physical similarities. But it's clear you two aren't related in the slightest. Well, yes, you are free to go. But I still need to ask, if you knew you were innocent this whole time, then why in the world would you run away during my search? Better yet, why did you say anything until now? Because I... What? Oh my goodness! I didn't think... No. I'm fine, That's also a new one. Oh man. You're certainly proving yourself to be an interesting one, my miss. Look, I've arrested plenty of people who try to be all flirty and handsy with me, but this is my first time arresting someone who's this embarrassed and shy, if anything. Well, let's just say that you're just proving yourself to be more and more adorable. Tell you what, pretty lady. I'll see to it that my chief will get these charges against you dropped. But you need to do something for me. Relax, you don't have to be so nervous. It's something simple and easy. Well, it's obvious that you find me very attractive, and honestly, I feel the same way. I'm finding you to be cute and very endearing. And don't be like... I, for one, find this little chubby belly of yours to be cute. I can just imagine how soft and squishy it is. I'm tempted to just spend the next couple of minutes playing around with it. But I more or less have to remain professional here, so here's the deal. To make up for my mistake, I'll make sure you get out of here with nothing but a soft slap on the wrist. But I need you to be a proper lady and ask me out. Oh, come on, I know you like me. That and well, if you ask me out, there's a chance I'll even let you play with these. Don't look at you. Try to be all nice and respectful. I appreciate that, but I wouldn't mind you staring. I do play with them myself from time to time. So how about it? I say it's a good deal. You get to date a hot policewoman, and I get to have a kind and adorable girlfriend. What? No, I was talking about my handcuffs. Oh, you silly. Aren't they cute to play with? Well, we can make it happen. Only if you ask me out properly. Here, let's trade up your posture. Hold your hands like this. Now, look me in the eyes and ask the nice and pretty policewoman if she wants to grab dinner sometime. Come on, cute stuff. I know you can do it. There you go. You have such beautiful eyes. Now, come on. Let me hear it. Come on, speak up. Oh, just a little louder. Yes, I would love to. See, that wasn't so hard now, was it? Okay, I'll make sure to talk to the chief and get all this sorted out. And again, I'm sorry about everything. I know this is exactly how you wanted to spend your afternoon, but at least we got everything settled, right? Cool. You're free to go. Just stop by the front desk to get your stuff and fill out some paperwork. Oh, and before I forget, here, this is our card. If you ever need anything, give us a call. And one last thing. My personal cell is on the back. I'll be expecting to hear from you soon. Alright, cutie. Good. I'll see you around.